Hi, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am doing a final reveal for my painting, my portrait painting of Sleeping Beauty Reimagined, and I'm really happy about it, how it came out, and I'm very excited about it. How happy probably is an understatement, but yeah, I'm really happy how it went and how it came out. I just really want to take the time just to kind of go over the painting and just show it to you. Just really excited about that. The model that I actually did use was my 8-year-old daughter, and yes, it was just a really nice process that we went through, and also, yeah, it actually took, the painting itself took about, I want to say it was like a week and a half. Yes, it was really quick, and I'm going to transition and come over here right now to show you the painting. Okay, see you. So here I have the painting of the Sleeping Beauty Reimagined. Yes, and so here we are, and I apologize beforehand, the kind of awkward jibs of the camera. My tripod actually, my cheap tripod that I had bought for Christmas, you know, serves me right for buying a $22 tripod instead of the $50 one. Get what you pay for. So I'm actually doing a handheld with my tablet, with my tablet clip, which actually is working pretty good. So I just wanted to give you that. So I'm just going to give you some just overview of the painting itself and where it was. And I will tell you truthfully that this painting is at pretty much, I like it, I would say 97% finish percentage, which is will give me a little bit of wiggle room to go back into the painting and to really fine-tune areas, like the dress. Like if I really want that dress to really pop, to be very hyper-realism, I can do that. If I really want that taffeta of, when you look at the painting, you see, oh, this is a taffeta dress. I can do that. I can do that at a later period. And so I just wanted to, yeah, it's not, I wouldn't say it's not like at a 100% finish rate in comparison to the first hyperrealism portrait that I've done. If you go back to my channel, I invite you and I encourage you to actually go back and look at those videos of the process of the first hyperrealism portrait that I did, and that one was of my husband. Yes, so it's giving me a lot of wiggle room. I can always go back into the dress and complete and finish off, or just really get into the layering and just really make those layers of the dress and the fabric pop. You know, same thing with and also with the hair. The hair, my daughter actually has very long, curly, ringlet hair. Longer, very curly hair. Yeah, so what I was saying, so, yeah, my daughter definitely has that very long, curly, ringlet hair. And I really want to define those curls and really make them pop, super hyper realistic pop, yeah, so all that is just going back into it and just layering glazing with different tonalities within the brown family of brown coloring of hair, because my daughter has dark chestnut brown hair. So it's just a variation within that component of color. And that's pretty much how you nail hair. If you really want to know how to nail hair, and I will definitely make a video about that, and how to really get that hyperrealism, true defined curly hair. or if it's straight hair, whatnot. I'll probably just do the curly hair one to start off with. Yeah, and so also you have, she's laying here on the bed with the sheets. That's something I can actually do as well. Also, with the sheets, you know, that's something I could really also explore at a later date. The crosses and the creases of the sheets, whatnot. You know, and when I first, before I started with the principal figure in the painting. The painting was, I started off with a sheet, a crinkled bed sheet. And yes, I went from there, and I actually do have a picture of that I put up on my Instagram page. And I can put it up right here for you right now, just to give you a glimpse of what the painting looked like before the figure was put on there. And this actually, for me, I explained this in a video of mine that I did, a tutorial back for my fantasy painting up in between the two masters of the dragon and Pegasus horse. And then the night in between, that it was very important to me for me to do a full-on landscape in the painting. And then from there, I would add the components of the principal figures, and that way when the figures, the foreground, the middle ground is finished, the foreground is finished, you have this very multi-dimensionality looking image painting. And even though that whole landscape that I just painted, or the whole bed sheet that I just painted, you're only going to see fractions or components of it. So, you know, I hope this actually just, you know, like I said before, I mean, I will revisit this painting sometime in the near future, just to just really make it pop even more. And for right now, I'm going to be moving on to my larger painting that I was working on simultaneously. A couple of weeks ago, I had started on a very large painting, fantasy painting, and this one I'm excited by it as well. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Please like and subscribe to the video. Click on the notifications, do all the necessary things that you need to do. Also, please follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at Zenkiea.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the Square.com website, where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.